my subscribers wanted me to actually show how to import the PySimpleGUI platform into PyCharm so that they will know how to use it. Well, here it is. I'm going to use a new project to demonstrate this. And I'll just click on create new project. And here is a simple description of how it's going to look like. Just hold on for a short while to see how it looks. I close this part, and this is a default area, but I'm not interested in this. I'll clear this up. Usually people, you know that it's already actually made in main.py here, so it's named already. But let's imagine you put import PySimpleGUI as SG. Now you see that this is really not going to highlight very well, and so it's actually underlined, and so it means it cannot really work that way. So the best way to make sure that this doesn't happen when you build your app is to actually you go to settings, and the settings is actually here, this point here. Just click on that and it actually reveals preferences. In Windows it is called settings. Click on preferences, and then the next will be you go on the project. Okay, so remember, open new project, go to settings, and then come to project, and you click there. So this will give you Python interpreter or Python project structure, or you can click it here or here, but let's click here. And then it reveals different aspects for you. So you normally will have to find the module again. What next you do is to click on this plus sign, and then it gives you a space, and there you can actually search for PySimpleGUI, and you can see it's coming through that way. So it's well spelled for you, it's shown, and then you install package. Okay, and it will take a few moments, and it's successfully installed. That way, when you go back and you say okay, because it's installed, you can see they're already within your packages. You say okay, and you see that the underlined PySimpleGUI has now cleared. Okay, and so you can then proceed, and let's imagine that you want to make a simple layout equals, you create a few things, just let's call it my, so T stands for text, and put my first app in PyCharm, and you can then create the window equals SG, and then, as you know, the basic description, and you can just name this as my app or something, and comma, then you import the layout within it. Okay, then remember the basic way here. While through you can say event. In other words, events values equal window dot read, and then you move on to if sg dot win closed equals, that's double equals, is, sorry, I should have put it this way, if sg, if event equals that, then you break. Okay, and then you will come to window close. Perfect. So at this point you can then run and see what it looks like. Good. So you see that. See, successfully built there. And that tells you that you successfully imported the PySimpleGUI, okay, module. I hope you like this. I will show you again, but not installing this time. Open the new project. You go on to this setting sign, click on preferences, click find on this arrow on the project, and then Python interpreter. It will reveal for you to pick on the interpreter. Click on that, and then you type the module you want to import, and then install packages. And there you have it. For each project, you will need to do that. Okay. I hope you like this. Thank you very much. I hope you come back again and see how to use this to build your projects in Python. Bye-bye.